In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off contact syncing on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up TikTok app and then go to your profile. After that, towards the top right corner of the screen, tap at these three lines and then select Settings and Privacy. After that, tap at Privacy, and that's where you can easily find Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends. You can just tap on it, and all you have to do now in order to turn off contact syncing on TikTok is just turn off that switcher next to Sync Contacts. That will stop syncing your contacts with the TikTok app, and also right from here you can remove previously synced contacts. Just tap right here and then hit at remove. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.